This video should be used in combination with the installation instructions provided with your Hydroblock products. If you have any questions, contact your Hydroblock representative before you start installation. Install a Hydroblock shower pan as per the included instructions. Apply thinset to the floor in one direction using a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch notch trowel. Ensure no thinset is applied into the notch of the shower pan. Apply 2 1/2-inch continuous beads of Hydroblock joint sealant to the notch of the shower pan. Carefully lower the 1/4 inch wallboard into place into the pan notch. Use your body weight to fully compress the wallboard into the thinset and the pan notch. Install Hydroblock screws and washers with a maximum 18-inch spacing. Apply a 1/2-inch continuous bead of Hydroblock joint sealant on the seam between the pan and the wallboard. Use a flat putty knife to trowel the joint sealant flat. Install 2-inch mesh tape, ensuring it's fully covered. Apply additional Hydroblock joint sealant over all exposed washers and trowel flat with a putty knife.